On which date is Kargil Divas observed every year? So the answer is 26th July every year.
Who was the Prime Minister of India during the Kargil War? अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी थी, वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे और इस वॉर को उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे ढंग से हैंडल किया था। इनफैक्ट हमारे लिए अफसोस की बात है कि ये हमारे पड़ोसी ने अपने गलत इरादे के तहत हमारे मुल्क पर हमला किया और उसने उसे मुंह की खानी पड़ी। और हमें खुशी हुई कि हमने जीत हासिल करी, लेकिन हमारे बहुत से सोल्जर्स ऐसे थे जो शहीद हुए इसमें।
So my question is your memory of Kargil war. When Kargil was happening, my father was a part of that war. So I remember at that time we didn't have the TV in our home. So we used to go to someone else's house to see the news. And there was a time for I believe a week there was no call from my father. So me and my family we all were. My brothers were like very small at that time. We got worried, but then after a week we got a call, so it was a relief for us that he's fine. So that is my memory of the war.
So the question on Kargil is, in which year did Kargil war take place? It happened in the year 1999 from May to July. Thank you.
Who was the Prime Minister of India during the Kargil War? Kargil War took place in 1999. So I guess it's Atal Bihari Vajpayee, maybe. I'm not sure, but yes.
So the question for me is your memory of Kargil War. Well, my memories are of continuous duty watches. Those days I was working with Navy, had multiple shift watches, non-stop ones. It was a tough time for all of us. Thank you.
So where were you when Kargil war happened? 1999. I was completing my 12th standard. So the time when our soldiers were fighting the war in Kargil, I was just completing my schooling that time.
What is Kargil Divas and why is it celebrated? Kargil Divas is the day when we celebrate it because many of the soldiers have sacrificed their lives on this particular day, and it is celebrated on 26th July every year. We remember this sacrifice of various soldiers, especially the one Vikram Batra, who has sacrificed and he was awarded with the Paramveer Chakra for his deeds.
My question is your memory of Kargil War. कारगिल वार से रिलेटेड मेरी मेमोरी यही है कि 99 में जिस टाइम पे कारगिल वार हुई थी, उस टाइम पे मैं 10th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ता था और मैं डेली बेसिस पे सबसे पहले अपने फादर को डेली अपडेट देता था इससे रिलेटेड कि आज वार में क्या चल रहा है, इंडिया ने क्या अचीव किया और किस तरीके से मिलिट्री उसको हैंडल कर रही है।
Where were you when the Kargil war happened? I was in Delhi only, and we all are aware that we celebrate the Kargil war on this 26th July, and it was happened in 26th July 1999. So this is all. I was only about 10 years old when it was happening, and we would celebrate the Kargil war.
Where is Kargil located? So I was fortunate enough to visit this place in 2016. Uh, Kargil is located in Dras sector of erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir. And visiting this place was a very, very surreal experience. I mean, you go there and you see that you are a part of history, the war history that, uh, happened in 1999.
Why it is important to celebrate Kargil Divas? This इसलिए क्योंकि दिस इज़ बिकॉज़ ऑफ कि हमारे सोल्जर्स ने इतना कुछ हमारे लिए किया है। वी नीड टू सेलिब्रेट क्योंकि उन्होंने हमारे देश के लिए, हमारे लिए इतना कुछ किया हमारी कंट्री के लिए। वी हैव टू सेलिब्रेट। उन्होंने बहुत सैक्रिफाइस किया हमारे लिए।
Who was the Prime Minister of India during the Kargil War? I think it was Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. He was the Prime Minister during Kargil War.